Hello everyone. Are you looking for scholarship, especially those who join for engineering? Just they are seeking for scholarship. Yes, it's a right time to apply for the scholarship. So welcome to one of the scholarship called Schaeffler India Hope Engineering Scholarship. Who offered this scholarship? Schaeffler India, one of the organization who offers this specific scholarship. What about the benefit of the scholarship? The benefit of the scholarship is rupees 50,000 per year. So scholarship provided for 4 years. You can come calculate 50,000 into 4, that is nothing but 2 lakh. Who are eligible? First and the foremost, only female students must be admitted first year engineering course, studying government recognized college. That is mandatory. Minimum 60 percentage marks in plus 2, 10 plus 2. Even 40% marks in PW applicants. Annual family income should be less than 7.5 lakhs or below. Okay. What are all the documents which you require for application? You must have Aadhaar card, class 12th marks card, engineering admission letter, college ID card, fee receipt, income certificate, passport size photo, bank account details. If you are a PWD candidate, kindly produce the certificate. How do you apply? Number one, do visit the official scholarship portal. You can check out, just search it on it. That is Schaeffler India, so that you will come to know the entire portal. Register using an registered email ID and your phone number. Fill the application online. Upload all the relevant required. If possible, you can do the attestation. Review the application carefully. Submit before the deadline. So, when is the deadline? That is on August 15th, 2026. August 15th, you are supposed to apply on or before. Purely application is online mode. No offline application will be accepted. So let us have a key discussion on this Schaeffler India's engineering scholarship. Scholarship exclusively for first year women engineering students. Financial assistance of 50,000 per year for 4 years, altogether 2 lakhs. It covers 2 lakhs. Encourages the women to pursue engineering education. That is the ultimate motto of Schaeffler India's Hope Scholarship. Apply online on or before 15th August 2026. These are the important deadlines. So kindly apply before that. It's a very good opportunity. So the women student, those who admitted engineering stream can get the beneficiary of this specific scholarship. Wishing you all the very best. Let me know if you have any clarification regarding the application of scholarship. Thank you all. Happy